Are you wonder if you can slow the outward signs of aging? In fact, there are unlocked a secret over the past few years. Might be you've heard about collagen and all the rave reviews lately. Do you know that 75% of your skin is made of age-defying nutrients? If you're deficient, your skin looks worse and becomes less protective. Even your hair and nails are mostly collagen, and we all want that silky, youthful look that only a collagen-rich head of hair and strong nails can give us. But there's a really big problem. As you age, you produce less collagen year after year. Less than half by middle age, and this depletion accelerates the older you become. So, should you use collagen creams to reduce the appearance of wrinkles? The answer is yes. But there's another really big problem. Yes, you might buy a collagen cream at a health food store, but there are chances are it has only one type of collagen. But actually, you need 5 types. But they're missing in most collagen creams. In fact, that it's very difficult to source all 5 types of collagen. You can see why it is so hard to get the collagen you need, the collagen your body can no longer make to keep you looking and feeling younger. But I have very good news. I would like to introducing Collagen Intensive. Collagen Intensive contains all 5 key collagen types, all mixed in scientifically correct proportions so you get maximum benefits, and that can mean more youthful and radiant skin. Even more, Collagen Intensive is free from GMOs, antibiotics, and synthetic growth hormones that are so common in other collagen supplements, and can actually age you faster. So, if you want the highest quality collagen on the market, you've come to the right place. With Collagen Intensive, you're getting the age-defying power of collagen in the scientifically correct form that actually works. In fact, it can work wonders you may have thought were not possible, for your skin. That's because Collagen Intensive uniquely provides you with the 5 key types of collagen from 4 different sources, which is essential to properly increase your body's collagen levels. This means you're getting 5 collagen products in one. And of course, your Collagen Intensive comes with our 60-day total satisfaction or your money-back guarantee. If you aren't satisfied anytime in the next 2 months, return it for a fast and friendly refund. Hit the link below in the description now and get Collagen Intensive up to 51% off, plus bonus gifts and free US shipping.